Let's make a braising short rib super easy. Even if you are as bad at cooking as my friend Charles, you will be able to cook this in a very delicious way if you follow the simple instructions. The ingredient for this short ribs: onion, garlic, potato, Worcestershire, soy sauce, brown sugar, and red wine. We need to season with salt that short ribs on all sides, and you need to remove the silver skin. Here my butcher is very friendly and he did this already. After, you need to put this in the fridge at least overnight so all the seasoning go inside. Okay, so the day after we will pick up our piece of short ribs and simply put this in a sous vide bag, and we will just seal it twice so we make sure it will not open. Alright, now it's time to cook this for a very long time. You can go from 24 hours to 72 hours, and the temperature can go from 131 Fahrenheit to 160. The difference will be at lower temperature, like 135 let's say. It will have the texture of a medium rare steak. If you want fall off the bone, you can go at higher temperature. So this is what we will do. We will do 150 Fahrenheit for 48 hours. Oh boy. Let's cut this open. See what we got here. Oh la la, it's beautiful. So next, we will sear this in the pan. Let's put some oil and we will sear all sides. Okay, so when all sides are seared, put those here. Put the onion in the pan. Now it's time to add the wine. An healthy amount of wine. Clean the pan. Woo-hoo! So all the alcohol in the wine will evaporate and just let the taste of the Pinot Noir. Beautiful. Okay, let's reduce a little bit and add about 4 cloves of garlic. Add le jus. Let this reduce a little bit, and then add a little bit of beef stock, not too much. While this is reducing, add some Worcestershire sauce and some soy sauce. To form a glaze, some brown sugar. While this reduces, let's work on the patate. For the potato, this is very simple. If you want to have the perfect texture every time of your mashed potato, take a potato racer. Put a little bit of butter. Yeah, that's a lot of butter. We put the salt and pepper and crème fraîche. Put a little more until the desired consistency. Okay, so put this at low heat, reintroduce the short ribs and baste the ribs with the juice like this. Put a lid just for 5 minutes so they will be just warm enough. Alright, after about 50 hours of work, let's taste this. Well, it fall off the bones. That's good. With un petit peu de sauce. It's disgusting. Don't do that at home. I'm just kidding. It's not delicious. It's incredible. The crust on the short rib, the glaze, the taste, everything is perfect. Wow, just wow. Alright guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you will try this at home and your mind will go like, boo! If you like it, Please leave a like on the video and see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.